Scientists agree that the longest distance in the world is the area between a pot of hot soup and your bowl. Getting that soup into the bowl without dripping a single drop of soup is a challenge. And here, with all the single ladles, is Adam.
All the single ladles? Bridget, we are testing 10 different ladles here with a price range of $8 to $38.50. We tested them by ladling chili, chicken broth out of Dutch ovens and stock pots. Also by taking them and forcing tomato soup through a sieve to make it as smooth as possible, and that was with the bottom of the ladle. There are two operating parts to a ladle. Let's start with the handle. One thing that testers really love is a handle that is offset like this at about 45 degrees, because it keeps your hand away from steam. If there's a lot of steam coming off whatever it is you're ladling, this will keep your hand off to the side and safer. Whereas something like this, which is a much steeper angle, puts your hand right into the stream of steam.
That's close to 90 degrees there.
And in terms of the handle, we also wanted a moderate length. This one is 9.5 inches. It was very comfortable to use.
Easier to control.
Let's talk about the bowl now.
All right.
You can see around the edge, it's sort of gently rolled over. That's a pouring edge. You have one in front of you. Why don't you make a nice, neat bowl of soup for us, Bridget?
Yeah,
Good luck.
See here, right. All right, getting my little bit of soup here. Lovely.
Isn't that nice?
That'll do it.
That rolled edge lets you pour from anywhere in the bowl, and it makes it nice and neat. Testers also really liked a single piece instead of something like this, which has two pieces. You kind of want to put your hand up at the top on what is the handle, but there's a little less control up there. What testers didn't like as much were bowls with two spouts sort of molded into them, because you can only pour from those two spouts. Limits you.
It sure does.
And last, the bowl capacity ranged from 4 to 6 ounces. They like something right in the middle, about 5 ounces.
Okay.
One other thing about the non-stick friendly ladles here, if when they were pushing the soup through the sieve, if there was a little too much flex, that wasn't good either.
You're not going to get every drop of liquid out.
Exactly, and it's harder to control. So we have 3 winners. We have the overall winner, which has won past ladle testings, and we love it. It's this one. This is the Rosla hook ladle with a pouring rim. This is the one that you use to pour from anywhere in the bowl. It's got a medium capacity bowl, a super comfortable offset handle. This is a rockin' ladle. It's $38.50.
It'll last a lifetime.
It will, but that's expensive for a ladle.
Sure.
So we also have a best buy. This one is the Cuisinart stainless steel ladle. $20.
Oh, okay.
It doesn't have that fancy pouring rim, but you can still get the soup out of it pretty neatly.
Okay.
And also, if you want a non-stick friendly ladle, this is the one to get. This is the Cuisinart curved handle nylon ladle, and it's $10.
All right, lots of soup for us. Well, if you want to buy the winning ladle, it's the Rosla hook ladle with pouring rim, and that's $38.50. For our other winners and more information, head to our website. Take our recipes and reviews wherever you go with the America's Test Kitchen mobile app.
Fail-proof recipes, unbiased equipment reviews, how-to videos, and a vibrant community of like-minded home cooks.
With smart searching and handy tools, you'll have everything you need to create the most amazing meals.
Download the America's Test Kitchen mobile app today. We hope you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed making it.
Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.
And if you're ready to take your cooking to the next level, head over to americastestkitchen.com and get a free all-access trial membership.
While you're there, you can sign up for our free email newsletters and download our app.
With unlimited access to over 14,000 of our Test Kitchen recipes and 8,000 product reviews, you'll have everything you need to cook and learn.
So I ask, what are you waiting for?
Let's make something great together.